Hi, in this quick video I will explain action research as a research design. Action research is a collaborative and iterative approach that seeks to solve real-world problems while simultaneously generating knowledge. Action research is characterized by its participatory nature, where researchers and participants collaborate to identify problems and implement solutions. This collaborative process ensures that the research is deeply rooted in the needs and realities of the community or organization being studied. What sets action research apart is its cyclical nature. Unlike traditional research, where data are collected and analyzed in a linear fashion, action research involves continuous cycles of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. Another important feature of action research is its adaptability. As new insights emerge, the research design can be adjusted to address unforeseen challenges or opportunities. This flexibility allows for iterative learning and continuous improvement, fostering a more dynamic and responsive research environment. This makes it particularly well suited for environments where ongoing change is necessary, such as schools or businesses aiming to improve their operations or outcomes. However, this adaptability also introduces challenges, particularly in maintaining rigor and objectivity. Balancing the need for scientific validity and the practical demands of real-world problem-solving requires careful planning and reflective practice, often making the role of the researcher one of facilitator as much as investigator.